Yes, sir. We starting off our day strong today. We are at the Sam's Club in Maplewood, y'all. I got my first order of the day. We got, hold on, I just lost my internet connection again, but it's all good though. We at the Sam's Club right here in Maplewood. I got my first order of the day. It is a Walmart Spark order. It's a Sam's Club order. We're gonna be getting $16.50. One order, 10.3 miles. Now that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but here's the thing though. The reason I accepted this order was because look, check this out. I didn't even know all them Sam's Club orders I did yesterday, they was going towards an incentive. We got a incentive milestone up to $32 with Sam's Club. So it says right here, from Tuesday to Friday, and today is Friday, so this is the last day to complete it, between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. at the Sam's Club stores in my area, if I do 2 trips, I get $10. 3 trips, I get $18. And if I do 4 trips, I get $32. And guess what? I already got 3 trips done. So this trip right here is gonna put me over where I need to be so I can go ahead and get that incentive. So I'm actually pretty excited about that. Now, we finna go ahead and get this first order done, and then it's taking me quite far north, but that's okay though, because I'm multi-app, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to get something to bring me back. Or even if I don't, I'll just go ahead and see if I can get a Spark order to bring me back over this way, because I'm doing Spark over in this southern Walmart region they got. But it's so many stores over here that it really don't even matter. I'm 90% sure that I'm gonna get something on one of my apps. So let's wait for these Sam's Club employees and get this day started. Alrighty, let's get checked in. We in parking spot number 7. Next order, we right back at Sam's Club. Got $18.70 for 9.1 miles on this one. So slightly better pay, slightly less miles, and I like that because look, that last one took me straight up in the hood. The address was a straight up parking lot, y'all. So you know what I did? I found the address, but it took me too long. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that. But this one, but see, the thing is, I feel like that's why they always do you when it's that last order until you get your incentive. They hit you with one of them orders that's just crazy, no tip, nobody didn't want to do, but I got it done though. And you know what, I'm from the north side, so it's all good. We got that knocked out, and we right back here at this Maplewood Sam's Club. We got $18.70 on this one, 9 miles, but guess what? I'm about to turn on Uber this time because the time now is 2:30 and people's hungry. So I'm about to turn on Uber and see if I can multi-app while heading back in the north direction. And after I do these orders, I'm gonna be heading like south, like 270, 55 south. God damn. Yeah, I'm about to be heading south after this one, that's for sure. Alrighty, so I had to let that one go. They was taking entirely too long to bring that order out. So we switching gears. I turned on Uber and we got our first order. And would you believe it? It's a Walmart order right over here on Uber. So we checking in at this Shrewsbury Walmart. I'm in parking spot number 6. We got $17.07 for 9.4 miles. 39-minute estimated time on this one. And I like it because I like the drop-offs. I like the cash flow. And I like the miles to money ratio. It's important that you make sure you keep all these things in account when you looking at orders to do either on Walmart Spark or on Uber Eats, right? Alrighty, we got our Walmart Spark order in the car, and they came out pretty quick with this one. And I see why, because this mug is heavy as hell. They got all types of cases of water, juices. I don't know where this stuff is going, but you know what? It's all good though. I'm gonna be able to lift it all. I got my containers, so we good on that aspect. But man, this is a huge one right here. It said an estimated time of 35 minutes or something like that. And maybe because it was factoring in that you may have to take more trips back and forth to the vehicle, and some of these items are heavier, you know, than usual. That may be where that time frame came from, but I still don't think it's gonna take me that amount of time. Alrighty, we made it to our second delivery on this Uber Eats Walmart Spark conjunction delivery. Let's go ahead and get it done. Ain't Patrick's Day weekend, boy. It ain't no cell phone signal, and it ain't nowhere to park at all. This shit is crazy. Got people on golf carts, crazy out here. Look at this shit. They getting drunk riding golf carts. I'm just trying to confirm this damn order and get the hell up out of here. Time is 4 o'clock and traffic for hellas. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's hella traffic. I ain't going nowhere. It's very important that you make sure you know where you're dashing at. It's Friday. Rush hour traffic, and I'm caught in it. I ain't making no money. I'm about to go to the crib. Look at this. You see this big old line of cars? I ain't going nowhere. I'm heading to the crib now. Listen, every day is not gonna be a great day. Every day ain't gonna be a banger day. Today, not so much of a good day. Only got 2 orders done. The first order was supposed to go towards my incentive, and it didn't. The second order at Sam's Club took too long, and I wasn't gonna be able to complete it in the time I needed to get that incentive. Had to let it go. Then I finally got a Saving Grace Uber Eats Walmart Spark delivery, right? Got it, was all good. But in the second part of that delivery, I lost service in the heart of a really big neighborhood. And basically it took me like 30 minutes to get out of that neighborhood because it's St. Patrick's Day. And you got everybody parking everywhere, walking across the streets. It was just a big mess basically. But guess what? I'm cool because you know what? Some days it's gonna be a wash and today's a wash. I would like to stay out and make some money because it's Friday, but look at this traffic though. I ain't making no money in this traffic. I'm about to head to the crib. I ain't had nothing to eat all day. Didn't have no breakfast, didn't have no lunch. Wanted to get out here and make some money. And I did. I made a little bit of money, but I can already foresee that between now and, you know, 7 o'clock, I'm gonna be dealing with a lot of traffic. It may be some long wait times, and with the type of day I had already, I'd rather just go ahead, hang it up, and be fresh, ready to go tomorrow. Because there's still a lot of money to be made this weekend. Just a lot of people traveling on Friday, and it's causing a lot of congestion, especially on the interstates and the highways. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the crib. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. You the real MVP, and I'll catch you in the next one.